Hi guys, let's take a little look at this euro dollar trade, which I think could be going on a really big move, and I don't want you to miss out on it. Yesterday we were at our Pro Trader support day. Fantastic day, guys. Students there from all over the world. We had people flying in from Singapore, which was absolutely fantastic to hear about that. So let's just dive into our color trading method on this euro dollar in particular. So you can see here that I'm actually long this market at the moment. I got long on Friday while I was at the support day, and I'm starting to build a bit of a position in this market. If you're somebody that's struggling with your trading, or you get out of trades too early, or even if you're brand new to trading, now you need to look at our color trading method because it keeps it so simple. Okay, now I've got a buy signal. I've got a buy signal Monday early on, and literally it has been green ever since. Now, as we broke this trend line here, okay, the trend has been down in the euro dollar, but we were getting warning signals when the colors started turning to green. We got a green trend predictor down here, warning us that we could see a new green pro trend system. So look, it's really simple. The red to green is our buy signal, okay? That's our confirmation to get long. Our exit signal is when it turns red, the candlestick. So it keeps it really simple. It keeps it structured. I mean, anybody can do this. So I'm staying long the euro dollar until we get to 107.81, or we turn red on the candlesticks, which will be an indication that sellers have taken control. So until it turns red, I'm staying long. Now, Monday, this was, you might be watching this video on Sunday, but this was Friday's trading when I started to enter this trade at the Pro Trader Day. Now, I think on Monday, we might get a little bit of a down move, okay? But the Pro Trend system colors here are probably going to stay green. If we turn red, I will exit the trade. And then if we turn back to green, that's the signal to get back in. Really simple. But as long as we stay green on Monday, I'm just going to be buying more. Now, I think we might get a little bit of a pullback on Monday. Okay, and as long as it stays green, as I said, I will stay in that trade. And as it turns from green here into a lighter green, I will start to buy more, because I think we could go on a really big move here. Big move in the euro dollar is 500 pips. So I think we could start to do that. We could even get up to 112.50. But look, I don't know where the market's going. The system will tell me where the price is going. It will either stay green or it's going to go red. Really simple method that I've been using since 2009, guys. It's absolutely fantastic. Now, for you day traders, now we're green on the daily. Look at the 5 minute, okay? So 5 minute yesterday, well, on Friday, the morning move went from red to green. Tracks were green. That's your buy signal. That's a 50-point move there for the early morning move. You'd have been done when it turned red, 9:30. Okay, so buy here, sell there. 50 points, £10 a point, you've made £500 profit. And then we started to just stay red. We started to get some greens, but the red dots here were not giving us the green. But we did get the afternoon session, which is the morning session in the US. We turned from red to green. That's your buy signal. The stop gets put in place automatically, the exact place, and then we exit as it turns red. So that's another 35 pips in the afternoon. Didn't trade that afternoon session, but I would have done if I was focusing on this day trade on Friday. Okay, so whether you're a swing trader, position trader, or a day trader, using the color method keeps it really simple. And for me, it's all about the secret of trading, and I'm going to tell you there is no secret of trading, but what I'm going to say though is you've got to try and let your profits run. If you keep getting out of trades too early, your count never grows, because you don't get those big moves, okay? And the system colors here tell us when the sellers are coming in, so we can get out of those trades. So going back to the daily here, you know, we've had a very big downtrend in the euro dollar. Absolutely anybody could see that that's turned green, and anyone can trade this. So guys, Keep your eye out for the euro dollar. I'm just going to look for the color changes and keep it really simple. This method of trading for me has been life changing since 2009. Okay, so keep it simple. Good luck in your trading, guys. Speak to you soon. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I want to update you as this trade progresses. Hopefully I can add more position to this and go for a really big move. All right, speak to you soon. Take care.